Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online lecture MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot, Saurashtra University. Lecture number 1, Bba Sem 2, subject 19 Bba 203, Determinants, unit number 1. All of you know we were completed 3 method in our offline lecture. Today is the first online lecture and we are start our method number 4. In this chapter we cover definition, order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3, grammar's rule, 2 or 3 variables, properties of determinant and examples. Today we discuss our method number 4, Cramer's method, when the 3 equations. In our last lecture in the classroom we were discuss about the 2 equations, and today we discuss about the 3 equations. In the question of 3 equations, like that, question is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 14. The second equation, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 7. And the third equation, 5x plus 2y plus z is equal to 12. All of you know the always equal is equal to 0. So 14, 7 and 12 we transfer to this side. So again you write the first equation, x plus 2y plus 3z minus 14 is equal to 0. ના હું કેમેરા ઉપર નથી લેતો. Second equation is 2x plus y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0, and the third equation is 5x plus 2y plus z minus 12 equal 0. So this is 3 equations as per the given. X plus 2y plus 3z minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x plus y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0. Then 5x plus 2y plus z minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. After that, all of you know, you write the value of this equation, x upon dx is equal to minus y upon dy is equal to z upon dz and is equal to minus 1 upon d. Okay, and the sign is here plus, minus, plus and minus. All of you know this sign is very important. X માં પ્લસ આવશે, y માં માઇનસ આવશે, z માં પ્લસ, then minus 1. Okay, so plus minus, it is our area. Next, After that, you prepare first dx. When you prepare the dx, then coefficient of without x, we write here the without x coefficient. So here we write 2, 3 and minus 14. Then 1, 1 minus 7. Then 2, 1 and minus 12. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તમારી સામે ક્વેશ્ચન રાખજો તો તમને આ વસ્તુ સમજાશે. ક્વેશ્ચન ઇક્વેશન તમારી બુકમાં તમે લખી લેજો ક્વેશ્ચનની સાથોસાથ જ. તો અહીંયા આવશે 2, 3 minus 14, 1, 1 minus 7, 2, 1 minus 12. And all of you know this is method number 2. આપણે ફર્સ્ટ રોથી એક્સપાન્ડ કરશું. ફર્સ્ટ રોથી એક્સપાન્ડ કરવું હોય તો શેનાથી એક્સપાન્ડ થાય? 2, 3 અને માઇનસ 14થી એક્સપાન્ડ થાય. 2, 3 અને માઇનસ 14થી તમારે એક્સપાન્ડ કરવાના થશે. ઓકે, તો તમને આવડે જ છે. એક વખત એ ખાસ આપણે જોઈ લઈ. dx is equal to 2 into bracket 12 minus 12 વંજા minus 12 અને 7 વંજા minus 7 વંજા minus 7 અને અહીંયા પાછી એક માઇનસ સાઇન હોય. સો પ્લસ 7 then minus 3. So in the calculation of 2 into bracket minus 12 plus 7 minus 3 into bracket minus 12 वंजा minus 12 plus 7 2 minus 7 2 plus 14, and then the minus 14 into bracket 1 1 1 and minus 2 1 2. So your final answer will be minus 10 minus 6 plus 14, and the final is minus 2. Check it. Minus 12 plus 7, so minus 5 into 2 minus 10. This answer is minus 10. This answer is plus 2 into minus 3 minus 6, and this will be 14. So final answer is minus 2. Minus 2 is the final answer. After dx, you find dy is equal to the coefficient of without y. So your answer is 1, 3 minus 14, 2, 1 minus 7, 5, 1 minus 12. After that, 1 into bracket minus 12 and plus 7, then minus 3, 12 2s minus 24 plus 35, and minus 14, 2 1s 2 minus 5. So the final answer minus 12 plus 7 minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Then here minus 24 plus 35 plus 11 into 3, so minus 33, and plus minus 3 into 14, 42. The final answer is 4. Check it. Method number 2 માં મેં તમને આ વસ્તુ કરાવેલી છે. Then dz 1, 2 minus 14, 2, 1 minus 7, 5, 2, minus 12. Always we are opening the first row 1 into bracket. Minus 12 ones are minus 12 plus 7 twos are 14 because minus minus plus. Then minus 2. Minus 12 twos are minus 24. 5 sevens are minus minus plus 35. Minus 14. 2 twos are 4 minus 5 ones are 5. Then the final answer is plus 2 into 1. So 2. 11 into 2 minus 22. Minus 1 into minus 14. So plus 14. And your final answer is minus 6. Check it. After dz, your calculations will be d. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 5, 2, 1. And you solve always in the first row. 1 into bracket, 1 ones are 1, minus 2 twos are 2, then minus 2, 2 ones are 2, minus 5 ones are 5, plus 3, 2 twos are 4, minus 5 ones are 5. So 1 into bracket minus 1, minus 3, and minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6 minus 3. The final answer is 2. Is it clear? Your final answer will be 2. After this whole answer, we write x upon dx minus y upon dy, z upon dz, and minus 1 upon d. So x upon, the answer of dx is minus 2. Then minus y upon, the answer of dy is 4. Z upon, the answer is dz is minus 6. Minus 1 upon, answer is d is equal to 2. So first time you wrote this value and these values are equal. X upon minus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then finally x is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2. So answer is 1. The final answer is 1 for x. After that, હવે એક વખત y is equal to આ મૂકવાના, minus y upon 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So y is equal to minus y is equal to minus 4 upon 2. So minus 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 because minus y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 2. After this value, એક વખત z બરાબર આ વેલ્યુ મૂકવાની. So z upon minus 6 minus y upon 2. So z is equal to 6 upon 2. So z is equal to 3. Clear? So this is very important, and your answer, final answer is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. You apply in any one of the equation. For example, second equation, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 7. Now we apply here your answer and check it, your answer is right or wrong. So here 7 is equal to 7. It means this answer is right. You check it in examination also. Put up x, y, z in any one of the equations and you get it, the answer is right or wrong. Clear? Thank you. આ મેથડના જેટલા પણ સમ એક્સરસાઇઝમાં છે એ હોમવર્કમાં કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી લેજો. તમારી પાસે ક્વેશ્ચન છે જ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 20, 21 એન્ડ 22 ત્રણ સમ ટ્રાય કરજો. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 20, 21 એન્ડ 22.